Breaker 49er. It appears we have someone speeding down the highway going 95, and he seems to be very doped up on Sawdust. Ooh.
His wife left him, his son hates him. Drugs don't work anymore. You can't buy cocaine at the liquor store. Well, his boss came to him at his desk one day, sought the sawdust down, and then he said, put this up your nose and you will be down the freeway, wind blowing through his hair. His wife and kids all hate him, but man, he doesn't care. Now he's going out and he's showing off. Now he doesn't even care if his wiener is soft. He's stealing groceries from Publix and the store, and he doesn't even drink liquor anymore. Cold cuts in the meat from the Publix deli. He likes to put it all over his potbelly. From all the beer that he would drink down, his belly button sometimes could frown, but it didn't even matter. No, it didn't even matter at all. Then he went to the mall, ginormous dump in the fountain, which then he would be frownting on his big dookie mountain. Whoa, little kids were pitching pennies inside the river like they was at the J.C. Penney's. I know I just rhymed pennies with pennies again, but who cares? It's not the point of the song. The point is, let me tell you. Let me tell you this. Don't get high, get drunk, get liquor. Don't say the N-word, don't say whoa. Wait, no, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't slap a girl, call her a hoe. Gun could leave her on the phone. Then do bing, king, king, kong, kong. Ching, ching, wing, mong, ting, chong. He drove to Hong Kong in his Chevrolet that he got from Toyota, Hyundai, whichever one it was, I don't remember anyway. He put the weapon inside the glove compartment, and then he popped a breath mint, went up to the Kohl's Home Depot store, and he made out with the lady at the counter. But wait, it wasn't a lady, it was a young dude in his 20s. They started playing Magic the Gathering. They started playing Magic the Gathering. He gave them coupons, 20% off. Oh, dang. Then he bought another gun for Gatling. And then he bought a horse. And then he was saddling. A horse he was saddling.
You're really lucky, you know. You didn't have to wait your whole life to do something special.